Once you've made an account on if this then that, you can create your own new applet. An applet is the if this then that the service provides. First, you have to select the this. Click and type in Adafruit to bring up the Adafruit app. You can then monitor a feed on Adafruit IO, or you can have any new data trigger something that occurs. For example, if you want to monitor a feed, you could check if a temperature is below or above a certain value, but let's go with any new data is posted. Then we can select any of our feeds. They'll automatically appear in the drop-down, let's say the Huzzah temperature, and then we select the that. Now, you can do almost anything from post to Twitter, send an SMS or email, make a phone call, post to WordPress. There's hundreds of different services that are tied through if this and that, so check them out and see if any of them are useful to you. We'll start by posting to Twitter. Now, you can do a couple different ways of posting, but let's just post a simple tweet. You can change the tweet text if you'd like, and then it will automatically put in the feed name and value from within Adafruit IO. Create the action, and then review it. If any new data from the Huzzah temperature feed is posted, then we post a tweet to @Adafruit IO test. Once you're good to go, click Finish to save it. We've done this Adafruit IO test account, and you can see that the Huzzah temperature is tweeting about every 15 minutes into this feed. Again, this is the easiest way possible to get data from your feed onto Twitter or other social media services. Zapier is similar to if this then that, so we won't demo both, but they do have some differences in integration capabilities. So we recommend signing up for both of them and seeing which one gives you the connection you're looking for. One thing to note is that both if this then that and Zapier have some delay to them and limitations. So you won't have messages come and go instantly the way webhooks do. And sometimes there can be up to a 15-minute delay, or even dropped messages, or limited number of messages. So you'll want to do plenty of experimentation to figure out whether it makes sense to use Adafruit IO triggers, notifications, webhooks, Zapier, or if this then that.